Hey friends, it's me, Mickey Mouse. I was just thinking, have you ever wondered what it'd be like if cartoons like me lived in your world? Imagine me walking into your kitchen in the morning. I'd probably say, hey, where's the cheese? Because, mice love cheese. But you know what's funny? I don't even eat cheese that much. Goofy says, I like peanut butter sandwiches more. He's right, but let's keep that between us. Speaking of Goofy, did you know he once tried to teach Pluto how to drive a car? Yup, a dog driving. Can you picture that? Every time he barked, the horn went beep beep. It was chaos. Hey, do you ever wonder why I wear gloves? It's not because my hands are cold. Nope, it's because I'm a super clean mouse. Plus, they make waving extra fun. I've been thinking about all the cool stuff you kids do nowadays. You've got video games, flying drones, and even robots. Back in my day, the most exciting thing was building birdhouses. If I had a robot, you know what I'd want it to do? Dance. A breakdancing robot in my clubhouse. How cool would that be? And let me ask you this. Have you ever heard of a talking fish? I haven't. But if fish could talk, I bet they'd say some pretty silly things. Like, hey Mickey, stop fishing for compliments. Haha, get it? Compliments. Fishing. Here's a goofy thought. What if every time you laughed, stars popped out of your ears? Imagine that. You'd be like a human fireworks show. Laugh too much, and everyone would need sunglasses. Now, here's a super secret Mickey fact one. Nobody's looking. I sometimes practice my silly faces in the mirror. Did you know drawing is like magic? A few lines here, a little colored there, and poof, you've made something amazing. Well, gang, that's all for now. Keep laughing, keep imagining, and remember you've got a friend in me. Bye-bye. See you next time.